Hi everyone, my name is Francisco Williams, your incoming 2020 CCIM Greater Los Angeles President. We had a great presentation by my father, Frank Williams, a very touching speech that really touched the room and shared more about our family business and about our family. And thank you everyone who came out, all of our sponsors. We had an incredible sponsor turnout. We had an incredible member turnout, and also a lot of people speaking about how they can get involved with our committees. And we look forward to that in 2020. And get involved. Let's make a difference. Let's come together. Thank you again for everybody.
My name is Greg Coe. I'm with Spirit Commercial in Pasadena. Today was an awesome day because I was awarded a CCIM scholarship by Carmela MA, and I truly believe that this scholarship will help my career move forward.
Hi, my name is Sharon Carr, CCIM, and I'm attending the latest, greatest installation for our new team, and I've been past chapter president twice, and in 2020 I will be the regional vice president for Region 2 for the Institute. This was an amazing event. It's always great every year to see the same people. We're all very connected and look forward to seeing each other in this event ongoing forever. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Barbara Armendariz. I'm president and founder of Sharpline Commercial Partners based in downtown LA. I am now the membership chair for CCIM, and I'm going to take this role seriously, so if you see me calling you to have you sign up, please answer. Talk to you soon.
I'm Carmela MA. I'm the founder of the Greater Los Angeles chapter. I was the past president and the education chair for the last few years and also the coming year. Looking forward to Francisco's leadership. I already know that we're going to have a lot of successful events. Now today it was record-breaking. We sold out again. So many of our past presidents attended as well, including our past leadership. Even with our busy schedule, we make a point to come here and say hello to one another and get updated. Thank you.